start with chapter number 2, New Kingdoms and Kings. In this chapter, I will tell you about new kings and kingdoms. Let's start with the chapter. By 17th century, a significant transformation हुआ in the subcontinent of India. Emerging from various backgrounds, new landlords and warrior chieftains become prominent. जो आपके नए नए landlords थे, warriors थे, ये prominent figure बने इस time पे. And initially they recognized as samanats or subordinates. By the existing king and the individual had they gradually amassed wealth and the influence, and they earned the title of Mahasamanta or Mahamandalisha. Newfound status allowed them to establish their independent kingdom. A notable example is the rise of Rashtrakutas in 18th century under the leadership of Danti Durga. Why initially, जो subordinate थे Cholakya of Karnataka, Danti Durga, what they asserted his status. Danti Durga, they asserted his status as a Kshatriya through a ritual called Kanya Garba. Now, simultaneously enterprising individual utilized the skills to carve out autonomous realm, and Gujar Pratihar, जो originally they were Brahmins, they relinquished their traditional role, and what they established their independent dominion in Karnataka and Rajasthan, despite originating from Gujarat and Rajasthan. These emerging rulers often adopted titles and they reflected their newfound power, security. Maharaja Adhiraja, signifying their great king and overlord for kings, or Tribhuvana Chakravarti, denoting lords of the three worlds, served to bolster their prestige. Then resources, ये play करते हैं एक pivotal role in consolidation of rule, and the rulers obtained resources from the region. They governed and employed them through financial stability and construction of temples and food. Inscription composed by Brahmins known as Prasasti not always entirely accurately provide insights into how rulers aim to project their image. जो किंग होते थे वो ऑफ्टन क्या करते थे, ब्राह्मण्स को रिवॉर्ड करते थे, अवार्ड देते, रिवॉर्ड करते थे, ग्रांट देते थे, एंड मेटिकुलसली डॉक्यूमेंटेड ऑन द कॉपर प्लेट, उनको कॉपर प्लेट पे डॉक्यूमेंट करते. नाउ वारफेयर फॉर वेल्थ. Warfare for territorial control and wealth accumulation was the occurring theme. Dynasty like Gurjar Pratihar, Rashtrakutas, Pala, they remain engaged in prolonged conflict over Karnaul region situated on the bank of Ganga river in Uttar. इन्होंने क्या करा, कंट्रोल करा कन्नौज पे and meant a dominance over the Vinyatic Valley, and this extended struggle involving three parties which unarmed monarchs, three pike struggle जिसे हम कहते हैं. The construction of temples emerged as a vital means through which rulers showcased their power and authority. और जिससे रूलर्स ने क्या करा, अपनी पावर अथॉरिटी को शोकास करा, and consequently temples, repositioners of wealth, become prime targets for foreign powers. Towards the end of 10th century, Turkish general exerted control over various territories. One prominent Turkish ruler was Muhammad of Ghazni, जिसने 1997 से रूल करा था 130 तक, and launched approximately 17 invasion to India. इन्होंने यहाँ करते जो नॉर्थ के इंडियन टेम्पल्स थे उनको प्लंडर भी करा था. Mahmud utilized the amassed wealth to establish their splendid capital city in Ghazni. He commissioned a scholar named Al-Bruni to write accounts of Indian subcontinent, resulting in valuable historical resource Kitab-ul. जबकि अराबिक में लिखी थी. द चौहान जिन्हें हम चहमाज कहते थे, दे रूल द रीजन ऑफ दिल्ली एंड अजमेर. इन्होंने जो दिल्ली और अजमेर वाला रीजन था उसको क्या करा था. This expansion efforts to the west and east faced opposition from the south, and the most renowned rulers achieved victory against Afghan ruler Muhammad Ghori in 119, but suffered defeat in 1105. फिर आपके जो किंगडम थे साउथ के, in the annals of ancient India history, The kingdoms of south under reign of Chola dynasty emerged as a formidable power from later part of 19th century to 13th century. Prior to their ascent, a lesser known family called Murtyal held sway in Kaveri Delta. Territorial conquest extended beyond their origin in the small, जिसे हम उड़यूर कहते हैं, and geographical expense and influence of Vijayalaya, जो फाउंडिंग मोनार्क था, उसने क्या करा, फाउंडेशन रखी, डोमिनेंट की, and erected the renowned city of Tanjore. Among this notable accomplishment was the construction of temple, who is devoted to the goddess Nishu Bhashudi. Afterward, what happens? Raja Raj first and his successor Rajendra first, they emerged as a prominent ruler. जो राजेंद्र और राजा राज फर्स्ट थे, ये प्रोमिनेंट रूलर बने किसके, आपके चोला डायनेस्टी के. एंड राजा राज वन एक्सटेंडेड हिज डोमिनेंट ओवर वास्ट टेरिटरी, while जो उसके सन था राजेंद्र फर्स्ट, he ventured further annexing Sri Lanka and region of South East. The conquest continued, escalate as they ventured into Ganga. Cholas were most celebrated for their architectural marvel, and particularly the temples थे Thanjore and Gangaikondapuram. These temples served as epicenter for the Chola era, in renowned for its bronze sculpture, notably depiction of deities and worshipper in technical penance and global retreat. जो ब्रॉन्ज स्टैचू था नटराज, वो डिपिक्ट करता है डांसिंग शिवा, जिसको हम क्या कंसीडर करते हैं, कल्चरल मास्टरपीस ऑफ द चोला. अब इफ वी टॉक अबाउट एग्रीकल्चर एंड इरिगेशन, इस टाइम पे जो एग्रीकल्चर कैसा था, कैसा यहाँ का इरिगेशन सिस्टम था. द कल्टिवेशन ऑफ क्रॉप हैज इट्स रूट इन अदर पार्ट ऑफ तमिलनाडु, एंड इट वाज ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड दैट लार्ज स्केल एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिस अनफोल्डेड इन दीज रीजन. To facilitate agriculture, forests were cleared in some areas and land was leveled, and in the delta region, embankments were meticulously constructed to stave off, and canals were engineered to convey water, and many local 2 crop cycles were cultivated within a single year. To enhance irrigation capabilities, wells were diligently dug and extensive water harvesting tanks were erected. आफ्टरवर्ड की उसका भाई एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कैसा था, तो है चोलास मोनार्क दे एस्टैब्लिश्ड एंड एडप्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव फ्रेमवर्क जो कंट्रीब्यूट करता था टू स्टेबिलिटी एंड प्रोस्पेरिटी. द पीजेंट सेटलमेंट वर रेफर्ड टू एज ऊट्स एंड लार्ज क्लस्टर्स ऑफ विलेज वर नोन एज नाडू. जो विलेज काउंसिल जिसे हम नालू कहते हैं, ये इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता था इन गवर्नेंस, टैक्स कलेक्शन और जुडिशियल एजुडिकेशन. Affluent landlords were bestowed with influence, position and titles, जैसे आर्या चीफ होते थे, मुवेंडुलम even serving 3 kings. ब्रह्मादि सेटलमेंट्स ये ओवरसीन बाय गवर्निंग असेंबली, जिसे हम सभा कहते थे, तो रिकॉर्ड कीपिंग भी कहा जाता है. डिसीजंस मेड बाय द सभा वर इफेक्ट इनटू टेंपल वॉल. Distinct committees managed various aspects of administration, including irrigation, temple, and horticulture. Urban centers were governed by trading association called Nagarmas, जो किसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल थे, जो आपके नगरम्स थे, ये किसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल थे, they were responsible for administrative functions of towns and cities. Now, chapter has been completed. In this chapter, I have told about how the agriculture was there in the ancient time, irrigation कैसा था, administration system कैसा था. Hope you understood. Now, we will start with the exercise. Who was the leader of Rajputa dynasty in 18th century? That is Danti Durga. What was the primary resource acquisition strategy engaging emerging rulers in India during this period? Agreeing. What term is used to describe prolonged conflict between Gujjar Pratihars, Rajputas, Pala, and over Kannauj? That is tripartite struggle. Tripartite struggle. Who was prominent Turkish ruler known for launching invasion into India, including plundering of temples? किसने करा था? मोहम्मद गजनी ने. Which dynasty ruled the region of Delhi and Ajmer and was opposed by the Chalukya of Gujarat, and that is your Rashtrakuta. Now fill in the blanks. The emerging rulers often adopted title Maharaja Dhiraj to dash their prestige. The construction of temples become a vital means of rulers to showcase their. The Cholas are renowned for their bronze sculptures, particularly depiction of deities and devoted worshippers, known for their technical feats and dash athletes. Next is large-scale agriculture practicing Tamil Nadu began to unfold 5th and 6th century, and to enhance irrigation capability, wells were dug and extensive agriculture were erected. Now, true and false, Rajputas were initially subordinate to the Chalukya of Karnataka, but later they asserted their independence. True. The construction of temple was primarily a means of showcasing their religion devotion, not to display power. Cholas, the next region of Southeast Asia, during their expansion efforts. Two, the emergence of large-scale agriculture in Tamil Nadu. It began in 9th century. It falls. कब हुआ था? 5th और 6th century. Chola dynasty rule is not known for its efficient governance and left no significant cultural or artistic legacy. Now answer the following question. Very short answer. Who were the Samatans and how they rise to prominence? आपको बताना है. What are the important जो जो important contribution थे चोला के to bird art and architecture? What were some of the titles which were adopted? आपको titles बताने से महाराजा धीराज ऐसे जो titles adopt करे थे उनके बारे में आपको. How next is answer the following short question. How did rulers use construction of temples to showcase their power and authority during the 17th century? ये कैसे उन्होंने इनका यूज करा था वो आपको बताना. ट्रिपाइट स्ट्रगल क्या थी? राष्ट्रकूटा, चोलास और गुर्जा प्रतिहार उसके बीच में. हु वर चोला एंड व्हाई आर दे फेमस? आपको बताना है कि क्यों ये फेमस. आंसर द फॉलोइंग लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. एक्सप्लोर द फैक्टर्स दैट लेड टू राइज. ये देखो इमर्जिंग रूलर्स जो थे वो राइज कर रहे थे 17th सेंचुरी. तो आपको उसके राइज के बारे में फैक्टर्स बताने हैं और आपको एग्जाम्पल तो अचीव. Describe the role of resource acquisition in consolidation of power for emerging rulers and how did they utilize these? और इन्होंने resources का कैसे utilization. Discuss the impact of tripartite struggle with political landscape की अगर हम बात करें तो क्या क्या इफेक्ट पड़े थे, क्या क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़े थे ट्रिपाइट स्ट्रगल. Right? You have to tell this in this. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. That's all for today. Thank you.